Mm. Oh my god, it is very delicious. I recommend this one. If you have this plant in your garden or in your area, please make this food as I told you. Hi guys, today is a very special day because I am going to show you how to make a diabetic friendly food, and it is very delicious. No one can ever imagine about that because that is that much tasty. But it is also very helpful if you are a diabetic because a lot of researchers have shown that it reduces the blood glucose levels. So I am going to show you the plant we are going to use to make that food. You can find this plant in Asian countries like Sri Lanka, India, Bangladesh, and so on. So this is a very important video for you if you are a diabetic because this plant reduces blood sugar instantly, and it is called anti-sugar plant, also called anti-diabetic plant. This plant is called Costus Speciosus. This is a very nice plant and grown in South Asian countries. I'm going to use this plant to make very healthful and delicious food for diabetics. So stay with us. We will show you the entire process of making that food with this plant. Stay tuned with us. To make this delicious food, we use tomato, onion, chili, and lemon. And also we use scraped coconut. So let's make this delicious and anti-diabetic food. First we take costus leaves and chop them into small pieces. It should be very tiny. Okay guys, we have cut them into small pieces, tiny pieces. Next we cut tomatoes and onion into small pieces. We use tomato here to add a nice flavor to our food. Tomatoes gives a nice flavor to our food. Okay guys, we have chopped tomatoes, and next we are going to use onions, and we chop onions as well. Right, we keep the onion away for a while. Next we take chilies. Then we add scraped coconut and our costus leaves into our mixture like this. Here we go. Okay guys, next we are going to add flavors to our mixture. So for that we use lemon. Okay, then we add salt. Alright guys, here we go. As you have seen, we have added tomatoes, chopped tomatoes, and chopped chilies, and scraped coconut, and then few drops of lemon, and then costus leaves, and mix them all together to make our delicious food. And this is very delicious, as you can see, and it is very beneficial for diabetic people. If you want to try this, please take your blood sugar meter, and before this meal take your blood glucose level, and then after eating this one you can check your blood sugar level. And this is a game changing food for diabetic people, right? You can check your blood sugar level after eating this food, and this is really nice, and it has a different and nice taste. If you can use this mix with bread and other things you like, but as a diabetic person, please beware when using this mixture with high carbohydrate food. But I am recommending use this alone, and you will feel and you will know the real taste of this mixture. Okay guys, I am going to taste this delicious and anti-diabetic food. Let's see how delicious it is. Okay, I am going to try this one, and I know this is a very famous, very popular food among diabetic people in our country. So that's why I'm going to use this, and okay, let's see how delicious this is. Oh my god, I got that. Mmm. Mmm. I can't explain. Mm. Oh my god. It is very delicious. Actually, it is very delicious. I recommend this one. If you have this plant in your garden or in your area, please make this food as I told you, as we have shown to you. Don't take this food regularly without the recommendation of a doctor. So I don't recommend you to take this every day, but at least you can take once per week, because this is very delicious and very healthy for diabetic people. Thank you very much for watching our videos, and we are with you for your diabetic journey, and let's experiment and beat this pathetic disease, diabetes. Stay with us and subscribe to our channel. Okay, bye bye.